so complicated to make.
I think it's training because I never knew anything I want to really touch it. I did, but I wasn't as good, you know. I think that has helped me get to listen to what people have to say so I can apply like the next statement. So have you been involved in the game thing? No, I never felt it bad. Hey, you can see my waves, huh? I heard about your AC.
Yeah, this is my mind control. I heard this one. So, what's your name? I'm talking to the homies and I